IIMs are now open to meet the HRD midway on the 1 year program. So I am now have understood that yes, they need to change the process thoda sa. So if we go through this report which is being published in the Business Standard newspaper, so we'll understand exactly what is the main scenario, why all these things are going on. So if we understand the problem, why all these things happening, IIMs do agree on MHRD's contention that if IIM takes liberty to offer 1 year MBA program, other may follow the suit. This is a main fundamental issue here today. This is, I think, the major issue why UGC have the problems here, because there are a lot of programs coming up here. If you look at 2 year MBA, we have courses, MBA courses like paper packaging. Can you believe it? MBA in paper packaging, MBA in this, MBA in that. There are a lot of nonsense courses which are being started which have no value. Fine, but why they're starting? Because colleges need to expand their seat. For example, if I make my seat 500, college, now the student will think nahi yaar 500 is too much intake, so the college will be bad, this and that. So what the colleges are doing, they're having 240 in normal MBA, then 120 in this course, 120 in that course, 16 in that course, 16 in that course, aisa karte. So they are trying to open up other areas so that they can have the more and more number of seats. Yeah, now student will think nahi yaar 60 seateं हैं तो job का problem नहीं आएगा, but this is the main problem area. So because of that, yes, I understand that point. This is a very valid point which I am now trying to address. Ki yes, we'll do that. But now looking at the point, in order to stop, fine, government over the farmers order to stop this thing, the premier BBs ko uniting their best to hold the autonomy. So they are obviously trying to maintain their autonomy. And this 1 year program is a very good program as well here, with a good set. So IIMs now are looking for a midway by looking for the other amicable options rather than giving up on the prestigious 1 year program. So 1 year program is not going to stop. See, please try to understand, this letter was released in 2018 also, 19 also, 20 also. Every year HRD ministry is just giving them a letter. So far no action has been taken. But now IIMs are going to meet them so that they can find out the way out. So the two options are in card. Number one, diploma instead of degree. So rather than calling it an MBA degree, they're going to call it a diploma, which was the earlier name. Yeah, but just changing one name, then that is no problem at all with then they're not going to follow the UGC rules. So that is one main advantage they can do. Otherwise, what they can do, they can add an additional component of research after completing the 1 year program. Like it's a 2 year MBA only, but 1 year in the classroom program and 1 year you have to do the research in your own company, which is just a paperwork, which is just a formality. And you're getting a complete MBA degree. So all these things are on card, which I think is a very good move so that the UGC is happy. See guys, UGC, please try to understand. UGC have no problem with IIM. Now this is what I'm understanding from this thing, because till yesterday even I was against this government ka rules. But the thing is, if they give liberty to IIMs, baki private colleges which are politically run, they have the same, will do the same thing. Yeah, this is the main fundamental issue. Same thing is happening in CET as well. If they give autonomy to Jamalal Bajaj in CET, if they give autonomy to JBIMS to conduct GDPI, this and that, all the private colleges will do the same thing. And especially the colleges which are run by the politician, they will then GDPI ke naam pe, they will jhol will start. For example, XYZ person who can pay 10 lakh rupees extra might get the seat other than the normal. And because a privately run college and this is owned by the politician, it will create more and more problems. So UGC is right on their point of view. Let's have a common set of rules for everyone. Yeah, and IIMs have done a beautiful thing. Now they're understanding their concern and they want to find a midway out. They're looking for an amicable solution. Amicable mean which is good for everyone. Yeah, one thing which the concern which I was getting from many students, like IIMs are not willing to completely stop the program. Yeah, this is one thing for sure, and I'm sure वो होगा भी नहीं यार. बंद करना भी क्यों यार, पैसा आ रहा है, इतना अच्छा program चल रहा है. For college also is a good income, for the student also is a very good program, because average salary is now touching 30 lakh. And especially people who can't do a 2 year MBA program, those are working or they could not get into good college. After 2-3 years of working, they can easily come back and do this 1 year program. Yeah, so it's not going to stop, that's for sure. Yeah, speaking on the condition of anonymity, one of the directors at IIM have said that HRD letter would sound like a death knell to their autonomy. Yeah, and obviously IIM will not get part away with the autonomy, so I think they will change the rules. They will be obviously try to find out a way out. So IIMs will meet and decide the way forward. Now come the second part of the video. Is this a good program? Yeah, see, executive MBA, the name says, is for the people with work-ex, and you need minimum 3 to 5 years of work-ex depending upon the college to college, 2 to 5 years of work-ex for doing your 1 year MBA. And this is a very, very, very good program. See, everyone tried to clear the CAT exam, go for normal MBA, but all the people who do that are in the range of 20 to 24 years of age. But once you cross 25, 26, it becomes very, very difficult for you to come back and do a full-time MBA. So for those people, 1 year executive program sounds like a very good option. I made a few videos earlier as well on this thing, especially from ABC. I recommend ISB and IIM ABC as the 4 main colleges which you can easily target for 1 year program. Apart from that, every other college is doing, but the value goes down as you go down the line. Yeah, so the program is going to stay. That's a good news we are getting here. But obviously, so now what are the next steps? So IIMs are going to meet. Yeah, as per the IIM Act, they're going to meet together and decide what to do next. And then they will approach the HRD ministry about what to do next. Yeah, see, first of all, this is not a new program. This program is running for last 14th year now. 14 साल से 13 साल से program run कर रहा है. Yeah, so it's not a bad program. So obviously, university will try to understand this as well. So the UGC will try to understand as well. UGC ka rules cannot be changed. This is something which I also now I'm getting the feeling for that, because then the rules will be misused by everyone. Yeah. So that's my point. So they have to be finding out the middle way out. I think giving a diploma is the best thing to do. यार IIM सारी उम्र डिप्लोमा ही देते थे. इट यूज टू बी अ PGP प्रोग्राम. नाउ इट हैव बिकम अ MBA प्रोग्राम. अर्लियर इट यूज टू बी अ PGP प्रोग्राम. तुम्हें प्लेसमेंट जब मिल रहा है तो क्या टेंशन है, तुम नाम कुछ भी रखो. या ऑल द बेस्ट.